Hi, I'm Wanda from Bonanza. In this video, we will go over the steps on how to place an order from one of our sellers. We have made placing an order quick and easy. Now that you have found just what you're looking for, you're ready to check out. First, you will click Add to Cart. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you will see a yellow number. Click on the cart. This will take you here. Now, review the information to make sure you are ordering what you intended for the price offered. Next, you will choose your payment method. Not every seller will provide all of these options. When you click on PayPal, you will need to log into your PayPal account and fill out all needed information. Another option that may be offered by a seller is Pay Later. This allows you to pay in 4 easy payments. This option is only available when you see Pay Later on your order. If you would like to use your debit or credit card, PayPal offers guest checkout. PayPal guest checkout does not require that you have a PayPal account. Some sellers offer Stripe. This option is used when using a debit or credit card. The next option, some sellers may offer Amazon Pay. All sellers are required to have PayPal. You will only be able to pay using the payment method shown on the listing. You have the option to add your phone number. The phone number will be provided to the seller if they need to or have information for you. In some cases, the shipping carriers require the phone number to contact you about the time of delivery or directions. PayPal gives you the option to save your payment information for quicker checkout next time you place an order. You're almost done. Click Continue. You'll return to your item so you can complete your order. Then click Proceed to Checkout. Add your shipping address. Then place your order. You will see now your order is complete. The seller will normally provide tracking information within 1 to 3 days. If you have not received tracking, click on Request Info about my order. If you want to contact the seller, you can easily do so by clicking on Send a Message located on the order. We hope the information we have provided has been helpful. If you should need additional assistance, please contact our award-winning support team at www.bonanza.com. At Bonanza, we work to make your life easier.